Maybe let's study of parts of the
body.
body. What are the parts of the body?
Head, eye, ears, nose, mouth, neck, shoulder, chest, abdomen, arm, head, finger, leg, foot.
Okay. Push your head. Okay. Let's push your head. Head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, shoulder, chest, abdomen, arms, hands, finger, legs, where's your legs? Show me your legs. Legs. And how about the foot? Foot. Okay.
And ankle.
And ankle. Okay. Your elbow. Elbow, very good. So, there are parts of the
Body.
body.